Hi, I'm Rekha and I'm the Chief Trainer of KalpaTharu Consulting. In this video, we are going to discuss on the common tools which has been used to monitor and control the project. So what are those? So before we look into the tools, what is basically monitoring and controlling or what is done before monitoring and controlling? See, basically you're going to come out with a plan as what you're going to build. What is your scope? What is going to be the schedule, what is the timelines in which you're going to complete your project, and what is the cost, the budget, what should be the quality, how are you going to manage your risk, how are you going to manage your stakeholders. So you're going to come out with a complete plan. Once you're ready with the complete plan, that is your project management plan, comprising of all the subsidiary plans like your scope management plan, schedule management plan, cost management plan, risk management plan, communications management plan, and all these plans. And along with that, the scope baseline, schedule baseline, and cost baseline, which is what you're going to build, when you're going to build, and what is the budget. So once you've come out with the plan, now you're going to execute your project. So you're going to build your product as per the plan. But you need to also check whether the project is going as per the plan. So that is where you're going to monitor the project. So you're going to monitor whether the project is going as per the plan, and if there is a deviation, if there is a lag, you're going to take appropriate action to bring back the project back to track, or you're going to refine your scope, schedule, or cause the relevant plans, revise the plan, and you're going to manage the project as per the revised plan. So what are the common techniques or tools we are going to use to monitor the project progress? One commonly used technique is variance analysis. So variance, what does it mean? The difference. So we are going to see what is the difference, or rather I would say you're going to compare your actuals against your plan, be it your scope, schedule, cost, or any part of the plan. You're going to compare what you're doing currently and what you're supposed to do, what was there in the plan. You compare and see what is the variance. Maybe you are as per the plan, or you are progressing better than your plan, or you are lagging, or you are behind the plan, or so these may be your findings. So that is variance analysis, the difference between the actuals and the plan. Okay, now you are not performing good. How did you perform in the previous week or in the previous month? So you're going to see the trend analysis over a period of time, how you were doing. Trend analysis. Okay, let's assume that over a period of time, on a regular basis, you are missing your plan. Then why? You need to find out that. For that, you're going to do root cause analysis. Again, there are various tools like fishbone diagram and other tools to find out the root cause analysis. But in general, you're going to find out the reason. So that is called as root cause analysis. So instead of addressing the present condition, you need to find out the cause, the root cause which is causing this difference. You identify that, and only then you can take an appropriate action to address the root cause rather than addressing the symptoms, right? So you're going to do a root cause analysis. Let's take, you have identified the root cause. Now you need to address the root cause to bring the project back to its track. For that, you are going to do a decision making analysis, or rather before that I would say alternatives analysis. You may come out with alternative ways on how to address the gap. Let's say you are missing your schedule, right? And let's assume that there is the resources, the human resources have not been effectively used, and that is why you're missing your schedule. So you may come out with alternative analysis. What are the different ways in which you can address this gap? Maybe you are going to bring additional resources, or you're going to work extra hours, or you're going to train people from other departments or other units to support you in an additional manner, or bring additional resources or replace your resources. Like this, you can come out with alternative solutions. So you're going to do alternatives analysis, where you're going to look into all these options, evaluate the pros and cons of each of these options. That is alternative analysis. And then you need to do decision making. So when you're going to do a decision making, you may use various techniques like multi-criteria analysis. Like what is this solution feasible? Is it cost effective? Is it going to bring in new issues into the project? Is it going to bring in new risk into the project? So you're going to analyze each of these options based on multiple criterias. And if you want to take a decision based on participatory in a participatory way, in a consensus way, so you may use voting technique. So when we are talking about voting technique, there are different ways like unanimity, majority, plurality. Maybe we will discuss in a different video or a different episode on the various voting techniques. So you may use various any of these voting techniques to bring people together and then take a decision on a consensus basis. So, and then once you find out the action plan, you can implement the action plan. So the common techniques which you use in monitoring, controlling, or rather monitoring phase is variance analysis, trend analysis, root cause analysis, and then you may do alternatives analysis, multi-criteria decision analysis. So these are generally used techniques in most of the control processes like control scope, control schedule, control cost, control quality, and all these control phrases. So we will come out with, or we will discuss on more techniques in the upcoming videos. So I hope you got an overview or an idea of what are the generally used techniques to monitor and control a project, right? So if you gain some knowledge from this video, like our video and subscribe to our channel for more learnings. Thank you.